Yeah, well, nobody's coming to see you.
I'm taping myself. Taping myself.
Brought to you in part by McDonald's in support of Ronald McDonald House Charities.
Gave life to me. Sparked the art
Taping myself.
and paved the way. I'm Andrea Case, CTV News.